Morning.
Hi, superstars. It is time for math. We are on lesson 7-5. Solve subtraction word problems. Taking from and apart. All right, let's read our first problem here. It says, Marta's dog Spot loves to eat doggy biscuits. Marta put 6 biscuits in a bag. One day, Spot ate 4 biscuits. Now there are only 2 left. How does Marta know there are 2 biscuits left? Use counters, pictures, or numbers to explain and show your work. All right, so we can use counters and we can draw 6 biscuits. Let's draw our 6 biscuits using counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 biscuits in a bag. Now, one day Spot ate 4 biscuits. So we're going to show that by drawing an arrow showing that the biscuits are eaten. So here's 1 biscuit gone. I'm going to put an arrow saying it was taken out of the bag. There's another biscuit that was taken out and eaten. That's 2. Here's 1 more. That's 3. Do you remember how many biscuits Spot ate? Her dog ate 4. So we need to move 1 more biscuit like that. That's showing 4 biscuits were taken out of the bag and eaten. And now we're only showing 2 biscuits in the bag. So 4 biscuits were taken away from the 6, and we have 2 biscuits remaining. All right, let's move to our first problem. We're going to listen to the video to help explain.
How many dog toys does Rex have? There are 5 toys in the basket. Alex is trying to figure out how many toys would be in the basket if Rex took 3 toys out. When you take away from a total number, you are subtracting. What are we doing to solve this problem?
So what are we doing here? It says 5 minus 3 equals how many?
We are using cubes to represent the toys, taking 3 away and counting the toys that are left. Let's count together. 1, 2. 2 toys are left. What are we doing to solve the problem? We are counting back from the last number, 5, 4, 3. We end up with 2 left. Which one has the correct answer?
Both of them are showing 2, right?
They both have the correct answer. Now, let's look at the number sentence to learn what each part means. What does the 5 mean in the number sentence?
It means the number of toys in all. If you count the toys, there are 5 toys.
The 5 means the number of toys in all. What does the minus sign mean?
Remember, it means subtract or take away.
The minus sign means subtract separate, or take away. In this problem, the minus sign means that some toys were taken out of the basket. What does the 3 mean?
That means the number of toys that were taken out of the basket.
The 3 is the number of toys taken out of the basket. Now, let's put the parts of the number sentence back together. When you put the parts of the number sentence together, it says that there were a total of 5 toys and 3 were taken away. That means that there are now 2 toys left.
All right, let's look at our guided practice here. We're at number 1. So you're going to listen to the story and draw a picture to show what's happening. And then you are going to write a subtraction equation. So listen to the story. Marta has 6 kittens. She gives them a big bowl of water to drink. But there is only room for 4 kittens to drink at the same time. How does Marta know that 2 kittens have to wait? So over here, they're showing using cubes, 1 cube for each kitten. So if we look, there are 6 cubes. Now remember, she gives them a big bowl of water to drink, but there's only room for 4 kittens. So that means 4 kittens are drinking water. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 kittens are drinking water at the same time. How many kittens have to wait? 2. So let's write our subtraction equation. How many kittens in all? 6 kittens in all. Now, there were 6 kittens. She brought a big bowl of water. And how many kittens went to drink the water at the same time? 4. So 6 take away or subtract 4 is or equals how many? How many kittens were still waiting? 2. And that is our subtraction equation. All right, let's go to the next page. Okay, we are on problem number 2. We're going to continue the same as we were doing before. You're going to listen to each story and you are going to draw a picture to show what's happening and then write the equation. So number 2 here, Emily sees 8 rabbits in a pet store. So how many rabbits in all? 8. So we can write 8 here because we know there are 8 rabbits in all. Someone buys 3 of them. So what are we going to do with those 3? Somebody bought 3 rabbits. Let's mark an X. 1, 2, 3 because they were taken away. So we're going to write 3 here. So 8, take away 3. How do we write that? We use a subtraction symbol or the minus sign. So 8 minus 3 is how many rabbits are remaining? We can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rabbits are remaining. So 8 minus 3 equals 5. Let's look over here at number 3. Emily sees 7 birds in a cage. How many birds did she see? 7. The pet store owner opens the cage door and 3 fly out. So how many flew out? 3. So let's put an X on 3. And let's put a 3 over here. So 7 take away or minus 3 is or equals how many? How many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. So our subtraction equation is 7 minus 3 equals 4. All right, let's look over here at number 4. Emily sees 8 puppies in the store. So let's use counters to represent our puppies. How many puppies did she see in the store? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we can write 8 down here because that is how many in all. 6 of them are sold. So 6 of those puppies were sold to people. So what do we do with the 6 puppies that were sold? We're taking them away. Let's put it down here and let's mark an X over 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them were sold, so they were taken away. 8 minus or take away 6 equals how many? 2. 2 are remaining. Let's look at number 5 here. Emily sees 5 hamsters sleeping. Let's draw some counters for our hamsters. So how many hamsters did she see? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There were 5 hamsters sleeping. Let's write 5 in all. 1 goes away to eat. So we're taking away how many? 1. We're taking away, so we put our minus sign. So what do we do to our counters? We put an X on 1. 1 goes away to eat. How many hamsters are left? So what does that equal? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hamsters are left. So our subtraction equation is 5 minus 1 equals 4. Good job, superstars. I want you to continue. Go do your independent practice. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.